Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Saira's Creations. So since I am on soup diet, so I thought I could share with my friends this perfection of soup recipe. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a broccoli cheddar soup, which is exactly same kind of recipe Panera's had. And after trying so many recipes, this is the perfect to share with you guys, and I hope you're gonna love it. So let's go ahead and start it. Alright, so for making broccoli cheddar soup, ingredients you have need: half cup of butter, melted or room temperature, one diced onions. I'm taking a red one, you can take a sweet onion as well. Then you need a medium garlic clove, couples. I'm gonna use a garlic powder special, it's a soup, so that will blend nicely. Then we need a half cup of flour, we need a 4 cup of chicken broth, 24 ounces cheddar cheese, we need a half quart, half and half. You can also use 2 cup milk and 2 cup heavy cream mixed together. Then we need 3 grated carrots, julienne carrots, and then you need 1 lab broccoli, chopped finely. Then you need salt. I am using a flavor salt, celery salt. You can use any salt, according to your taste. Some pepper, and the cayenne pepper is optional. If you want a pinch on your soup, you can use that as well. So let's go ahead and start it. So simply we're just gonna take our half cup butter, which is 1 stick butter, and gonna melt it, and we're gonna use our diced onion into that. Once our butter is melted, so once our all butter is melted, we're gonna add our onions, and we're gonna saute our onion into this butter until you see they are get little softer. Alright, it's been like a 10 minutes, and as you can see, the onions coming out nicely. Now it's time to add our garlic powder. If you have a garlic clove, let's do adding the garlic cloves. It's like a 1 teaspoon actually. Some salt, some pepper, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Alright, we will also add our carrots. And we're gonna cook them little bit until they are little soft. So I have cooked my carrots almost 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add it my flour into those carrots and onions, and we're gonna almost cook like a 1 or 2 minutes. And after that we will add it our chicken stock. Just gonna simply mix it. More chicken stock. And now that will be good time to add your broccoli. Keep stir that in, and we will cook this just for a couple more minutes. Alright, it's about to come 5 minutes till it's cooking, and I'm keep stirring and simmering. So now it's time to add our half and half. And as I told you, if you don't have a half and half, use a milk and heavy cream mix. Alright, we will wait till it's bubbly and simmer, and then we will turn off the heat. And as you can see, our soup is start bubbling and simmering, so we simply just gonna turn off our heat. That's the best option. Close your heat and add your cheddar cheese. This is best way to mix your cheddar while your soup is hot. And here's your broccoli. Cheddar soup is ready. Now we will dish it and taste it. See that how rich that look? It's absolutely beautiful. Alright, so now it's time to give it taste for you guys. And as you can, it looks so nice, so rich. Just gonna give it a try. That's so good, so perfection. And this soup is really a perfection. You have to give it a try. If you really like our today video, please give this video thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Saira's Creations. Don't forget to hit the bell icon button so you can get the latest update about my channel. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.